Is it time for internet insurance? The answer is yes. The question is, what does that mean? How do I get it? And in this quick video, I'm going to talk about why every business needs to have internet insurance. Hi, my name is Chris Adams, president of the Adams Technology Group. And I just ran across this interesting email. Cable versus DSL internet. What is better for your business? And the subheadline is, an unreliable network is bad for business. Okay, that makes sense. So here's what I want you to do. I want you right now to get out from your chair. I want you to walk over to the telco room, and I want you to unplug your internet connection, and I want to see what happens to your business. And it's only going to take about 5 minutes, and chaos is going to ensue. It's going to be crazy. And the question I want you to ask yourself is, how do I protect myself from that? How do I protect my business? How do I still provide high level of customer service? How do I continue to function as a company when I don't have internet? So the question is, what is internet insurance? Internet insurance simply is a backup internet connection. So when I read this email, cable versus DSL, which is better? My answer is it really doesn't matter. It's the fact that you need to have both. We have what I call the perfect network. And in the perfect network, the first thing that we start with is 2 internet connections. You need to have them from 2 different providers on 2 different technologies. That's either cable, DSL copper, or fiber. You can't run your business and think that you're protected with having a single point of failure on your internet connection. Does that make sense? Okay, so our perfect network typically starts with, because we're limited to fiber rollouts, is cable internet on one side and DSL on the other side. Now, in our case, we typically push the big heavy internet across the cable connection, and then we do redundancy and we push our voice over IP product out the DSL. Now, here's what's killer. All of our connections based on the firewall that we use is what we call active-active. So if one connection goes down, it automatically fails over to the other side, and vice versa. So you get maximum uptime. You don't have to go in and make any changes or do any of that stuff. It just happens. And then what's really cool for that is that interface actually gets reported back to our NOC, and we see network down on the DSL side or on the cable side, and we're already working and being proactive. Our monitoring system is super sophisticated in the fact of when DSL or cable goes down in an area, we actually start to see our status lights go from green to red. And we kind of know that there's quote unquote an outage, a power outage or something like that. It's just one of the things we're doing here over at Smatotech to create a high level of reliability and productivity in your organization. Our part of our perfect network starts with dual WAN. It isn't about what's better, who's better, what's faster, this, or what's reliable. 1 is none, 2 is 1, right? I think I watched that in some sort of military movie. Anyway, so that's what I got. Dual WAN, part of the perfect network. Is it time for internet insurance? And the answer is absolutely it is. Okay, my name is Chris Adams, president of the Adams Technology Group. And just a little tidbit there. Catch you guys later.